Welcome. If you're looking to make your Roblox private servers even more exclusive and only allow your friends to join, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set up your private servers so only your friends can hop in and play with you. Let's get started. First, open up your Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open up the menu. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open up all your account preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you can control who can interact with you and your content on Roblox. Once you're in Privacy and Content Restrictions, look for the option called Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on that to continue. This section is all about who can see your activity and who can join your private servers. Now tap on Private Servers. Here's where you get to decide exactly who can join your private servers. You'll see a few different options, but if you want to make sure only your friends can join, simply choose Friends. This setting will make it so that only people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to enter your private servers. And that's it. You've now set your private servers so only your friends can join. This is a great way to keep your game safe, fun, and just between you and the people you trust. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!